Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get long posts like this on Instagram. So I did this with Martin Cabello. But first of all, what you want to do is go on Safari or whatever web browser you have, look up super long images, save, add to photos. So save. Now what you want to do is download this app, Photoshop Mix. Let me get rid of that. As you can see, I was editing it. I was testing it out. And then go here and go on the little picture or a little line. It should look like this, but with no picture of Martin. So let me just get that out. And then let me add an image. So I want to add Martin again. So sure, Martin's right here. There's no way. Okay, there's no way you can get the full image in there at all. Martin. Let me get a better picture. I'll show you. Same one I used. This is a portrait. Not portrait. Yeah, it's something like that. It's not landscape. It's something else. But you want to fill out the whole image like this. There's no way you can get the full image on here. It's impossible. But you want to save. Make sure you save. Do not X out the app. Press the arrow button. Press the plus sign. Press. And make sure you get the right one. So it's right here. You can either make this smaller, like this. Make sure, or long. And I like it like this, just to fill out the screen. But you can make it like long if you want, but you don't have to. And then press save, camera. And it should look like this. Right here. As you can see, right here. And then you want to upload this to Instagram. Get the new one. It should look like, where is it? Where is this Martin? Here it is. I found it. I want to zoom in all the way. And that's how you do it. I don't want to upload this to my own. You can do it for yourself. As you can see, it's the same format as this one. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, peace.